Are you wondering why you still compare yourself in some way? No matter how you appreciate the present moment and focus on what you do have, you feel uncomfortable or stressed when you compare yourself with others. You feel things are not good enough when you compare what you have and what you want. You feel things are unacceptable when you think you had better before and want better in the future. Most of the unhealthy comparison thinking is because you are comparing your situation, your present, your existence to external things instead of focus on yourself. When you deny or reject your present, telling yourself you are at the wrong place at the wrong time, you become more anxious about your current situation. The more you can't stand the distance between where you are and where you want to be, your mind starts to enhance the negative feelings from separation. If at this moment someone or something triggers your negative thought, you will start compare because deep inside you, this is the position you are craving for or want to experience. An unhealthy comparison is the mindset of measuring life, feeling unsafe when others have more than you, seeing life as a race of who is going faster, and judging life by circumstances and material possessions. But the reality is that only your presence matters to you. Everyone has their own path and progress. You just need to focus on your path, your opportunities, and embrace what you have at this moment. This is the reason you need to do your shadow work and healing. To stop an unhealthy comparison, you need to trust that your present moment can lead you to the future you want. Let me tell you a joke about a typical unhealthy comparison in my city. This story about fish balls was told by a famous stand-up comedian in Hong Kong. A guy bought a skewer with 4 fish balls, but the person next to him had 5 on his, and he confronts the shopkeeper. "Why do I have 4 fish balls, but he has 5? This is unfair." And the shopkeeper said, "Oh, sorry, let me give you 1 more. So now we are all even." But that guy replied, "No, I don't want you to give me 1 more. I want you to take 1 from him. Now we are even." This is a famous joke in Hong Kong that makes fun of people who get hurt and will hurt others. When people see themselves as mistreated, they will also expect others to be mistreated. That's why when a topic involves an unhealthy comparison, it also invokes our self-worth. An unhealthy comparison is the mindset where you place yourself under the shadow of what you don't have. Practice grounding for your awareness, healing for moving yourself out of the shadow, and self-worth is putting yourself on top of your negative thought, feeling peace and ease even though you don't have what you want. In our lifetime, many mental blockages challenge our self-worth. Sometimes we need to heal with self-love, maybe also need self-compassion, or another mindset that suits us the most. Every time we strengthen our minds, we finally feel safe being ourselves without comparison. That's the video for today. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed this video. See you all next time.